Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Facebook account from all devices from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to sign out of all of your sessions from your Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook account first. And after opening your Facebook account, something will be your interface will also be something like this. And on the top right corner of your screen you can see the three line icon just below the messenger icon. Tap on the three line icon, and over here on this interface you can see the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen just below your three line icon. Or when you scroll down there is the settings and privacy option. Tap on settings and privacy and you can see the settings option there again. Tap on settings again, and on this interface you can see there is the account category. When we scroll down there is the security category, and in that you can see the security and login option available over here. Tap on security and login, and on this interface you can see the where you're logged into option available over here just below the recommended, and beside it there is the see all. Tap on see all, and on this interface when we scroll down and you can see the log out of all session over there. Tap on log out of all sessions, and on this page there is the logout button again, and you can see this will log you out from Facebook from every device. You're calling to log in on. If you didn't log in on any of these devices, you can secure your account and tap on logout. Then you'll be logged out of every device. Then you'll be logged out of your Facebook account from your every device except your one that you're using. And that is how you log out from your Facebook from all of your devices. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.